Welcome to SSGMCE Shagan. Today we will learn about migrating application to cloud by considering real-world case study. Let's understand the concept first. Migrating applications to the cloud involves shifting its systems from traditional hosting to cloud environments. This optimizes costs and offers flexibility. The process comprises phases: evaluation, migration strategy, prototyping, provisioning and testing. Evaluation: assess infrastructure, SLAs, risks, costs, and benefits to justify migration. Migration strategy: develop a plan based on evaluation results, hot plug for complete apps or fusion for partial migration. Prototyping: test a subset of apps in the cloud to ensure compatibility. Provisioning: optimize, deploy, and configure cloud resources including databases, software, and integration points. Testing: verify successful migration through performance, load, and recovery tests. What are the approaches for cloud migration? The approaches are migrate existing apps, start from scratch, separate company, and buy an existing vendor. Migrate existing apps, refurbish apps incrementally with virtualization tech to speed up work. Start from scratch, rebuild apps from the ground up using sophisticated cloud development tools. Separate company, establish a new entity focused on cloud operations, even as a subsidiary. Buy an existing vendor, acquire a cloud-based competitor for quicker entry into the cloud space, though with some risks. So let's start understanding how it works for any organization. Company A is an e-commerce company that specializes in selling fashion products online. As the business grows, their existing on-premises infrastructure struggles to keep up with the increasing website traffic and demand. To address these challenges, Company A decides to migrate their entire e-commerce platform to the cloud. Phase 1: Evaluation. Scenario: Company A's website experiences slow loading times during peak shopping seasons, leading to customer dissatisfaction. Execution: the team conducts a thorough evaluation of their current infrastructure and identifies bottlenecks in terms of compute, storage, and scalability. They realize that the existing setup cannot handle sudden traffic spikes efficiently. Phase 2: Migration strategy. Scenario: based on the evaluation, Company A needs to devise a migration strategy that minimizes disruption and maximizes performance. Execution: the team decides on a lift and shift migration strategy. They plan to move the entire e-commerce platform to the cloud while keeping the architecture and codebase largely unchanged. This strategy is chosen to expedite the migration process and maintain familiarity for their development team. Phase 3: Prototyping. Scenario: Company A wants to ensure that their e-commerce platform performs optimally in the cloud environment. Execution: before the actual migration, the team creates a prototype of their website on the cloud. They deploy a smaller version of the application and simulate user interactions. This allows them to identify any compatibility issues and validate that the cloud resources can handle their website's load. Phase 4: Provisioning. Scenario: Company A is preparing to migrate their e-commerce platform to the cloud. Execution: the team provisions virtual servers in the cloud and installs the necessary software and dependencies. They configure load balancers to distribute incoming traffic efficiently and set up auto-scaling to automatically adjust resources based on demand. Phase 5: Testing. Scenario: post-migration testing is essential to ensure a seamless user experience. Execution: Company A conducts comprehensive testing, including performance, load, and security testing. They simulate high traffic periods to assess how well the platform scales and ensure that sensitive customer data remains secure during the migration process. Phase 6: Migration Approach. Scenario: Company A evaluates different migration approaches to enhance their platform's performance. Execution: After assessing their application's architecture, Company A chooses to migrate and improve. They identify specific components that can benefit from cloud-native services. For instance, they migrate their database to a managed cloud database service to optimize performance. Phase 7: Cloud-based startup. Scenario: Company A considers creating a new subsidiary to focus exclusively on cloud services. Execution: Recognizing the potential of cloud-based services, Company A establishes a cloud-focused division within their organization. This division operates with a startup mindset, leveraging the cloud's agility and scalability to develop innovative solutions. Conclusion: Company A successfully migrates their e-commerce platform to the cloud, achieving improved performance, scalability, and customer satisfaction. Their journey encompasses evaluation, strategic planning, prototyping, provisioning, testing, and optimization. By leveraging cloud-native services and a startup-like approach, Company A positions itself for growth and continued success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you. Namaste.